Yo, yo, yo! Yeah. Hello guys. Yeah guys. Darita guys. Yo, chata kay bay. What the fuck? Chata kayo. Nice kayo.
Rocky Hills Lookout Trail in Rocky Harbor, a short, wooded trail that leads to a lookout over the scenic town of Rocky Harbor and the bay. Lookout Trail in Woody Point, a moderate trail that offers panoramic views of Tablelands and Bond Bay. Shoal Harbor Lookout Trail, a 1-mile loop trail.
Siking hangin. Oh. Wala. Okay, itong sakyanan na untog. Alright guys, second stop na guys. Magkaon mi guys. Igi pang Ocean Quest. Di am siguro na siya kanang magkuan, magpising-pising mo. Oh, tsada kay boy. Pareha sa itong sakyanan. Oh, pareha gid sa itong sakyanan. Wow. Tourist dito ani nga lugar. Hindi dito. Asa man ni? Parking at owner's risk. Tsada ang lugar ba? Konti ba? Murag gibati ko tourist information. Murag gibati ko kuan bay. Murag liti ba? Ngani sa liti. Asan tong park? Kaunahan pa.
Nanay zipline.
Ay, zipline dire?
Pero,
Aman. Ah, zipline.
North Atlantic Ziplines.
Oh. Let's try. May bridge guys. Fishing.
Train na rin tao dituan. Dili ka makasure na nga makakaon ka.
Oh. Guys. Ano yung second destination guys? Sada kayo ba? Yeah. Sada kayo motor ba? Sada kayo motor oh. Ninja. Ninja. Kursunada kasi nung yung kaon diri. Sikat mo daw niya sudan kananan ba? Hi.
For two people? I can get you in a small table upstairs. Would that be okay? Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
Enjoy the freshest of seafood and much more. In picturesque Petty Harbor, Chafe's Landing is family-owned, operated, and proudly supports local businesses.
Tara.
3 pieces fish and chips. What else? What drink you like? Do you want any tartar sauce or ketchup or anything? Yeah, tartar sauce.
Wow. Nah, sorry. Nama newspaper. Nay newspaper bay. Uy. Ano naman yung newspaper bay? Kaunsa man yung Allah, grabe molot ba nato ni? Ay, tanang to tilawan na to guys. Hindi siya guys. Chips.
Chape?
Chape.
Chape, Eva.
Chape Restaurant. Tsada kay guys. Napibuki dito guys. Wow. Hala na, nirado ng ice cream. Iway kurinti.
Tip kung magkuhan lugar.
Hindi, paano na kaya? Kadyutra na siya nga brand out.
What if
Kuriyo boy. Dapat na agad
ato
siya.
kay honeycomb, ang iya ha kay square.
Ay ano kung. Hello guys, isda isa guys. Grabe guys.
Pwede ka mo today han.
Vacation rental.
Pwede ka mo rent.
Pwede na.
Yung siya po.
Not Nara Ocean no. Wow. Kita na gid nato wa. Picture Sabi ni mo bang
Part ni siya sa
chika ay.
asa ni part han?
Part 1, part 2.
Part siya sa Newfoundland and Labrador. Pero lain na ni siya nga lugar. Kana siya Petty Harbor. Yes. Grabe kalinaw ang dagat no. Sino sa ilang balay ba? Ano gali?
Oh,
Tara! Mas kinabang balay oh.
yeah. 60. Oh, okay, boy.
Oh my gosh, so nice. May parking na I don't know if dito
Lagi. Ay,
di
PWD. Di ba tuyok?
PWD.
Gwapo mo kay di tambayan oh.
Oh, tara.
Aturo. Ano ko? It's okay, no worries. Pag sa Philippines, mag-serbator ba dahil ba?
Today the Cape Spear Lighthouse has been restored to its original appearance and
Welcome
refurnished
to
as a
Cape
lightkeeper's
Spear
residence to the period of
Lighthouse.
1839. Cape Spear Lighthouse
Correct,
is the
Cape
oldest
Spear.
surviving lighthouse in Newfoundland and Labrador.
Right guys. Hapit kumamumo guys. Yeah. Chet, alibang bang. Yeah guys. We're here. Beautiful view guys. Lah. Oh my god,
guys.
dogs. Ano kita? Beautiful. Right guys. Tsada kayong lugar guys. Oh, yan siya. Mainit. Pero malamig. Mainit na malamig. Yung bang naka-aircon ka pero may araw. Ang init tapos ang hangin. Malamig. Wow. So araw dito guys oh. Para mo sakyanan guys. 1, 2. Ito na yung nag-park. Oh, itong black.
Kita mo yun mo.
Ah, dire. Yeah, we'll go down.
Okay, go first.
Go swimming.
Go first.
You don't guys, as you can see, we're here at the historic park. As you can see, we have a stair. Slowly step down. One by one. Right? Now, come. Come forward, guys. Come forward. As you can see in the left, in the right, you see the stone? Many stone. In the left, there's many people. Yeah. The step, oh. Chad. Yung parula nila nasa ibabaw ng bato. Grabe, no? We're going to stay there? Yeah. Ay kung sa Pilipinas pa ni dagan na kinikarinderiya. Nalay magkuit sa imo. Ay magkuit sa imo. Mama palito maiswa 200.
Na
Ay tsada kay hindi ba? Tsada iyahang hangin preske ba. Walang ganahan jud ang mga tao anhi diri ba. Fresh air. Tapling dagat, di ba?
On Canada's most easterly point of land, the oldest surviving lighthouse in Newfoundland and Labrador offers a glimpse into the lives of 19th century lighthouse keepers and their families.
Una na ta kay nahikuan. Iro. Iro gisunod.